So with the help of knife, just take the color Indian red or raw umber, burnt sienna, burnt umber, any shade of brown, ochre also, and one side ultramarine blue I'm using. Your choice of shade, your choice of color, always welcome. Because whatever the artist doing, any we can't copy. We have to develop our own style in that, in our style. Can just merge, mix and merge of the other artist hand. एक थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा बनाया मैंने. Done. Just can you show me the trunk? I think easy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it is come. Slight straight और आता तो अच्छा था, but okay, fine. You can take the corner. ये जो corner से slight color लेके like that. So I don't want the line, but at the same time it should come little neat. If it is done, all these techniques like that foggy one, and on that we can do this, the base we can take whatever base we are liking the softness on. When it dries, get, then we can use this also. Okay, so now I'll be giving a little pani ka effect niche, water effect. ब्रश नाइफ में जितना भी कलर है उसको इसमें डाल दो. Taking angular brush, not very bright green, not very bright yellow either. Just giving with the angular brush. I got Vidya, yours is now looking nice with the steps temple one. Temple one. नीचे green को थोड़ा सा और muted you can do. That's it. It's looking nice. Oh. Now with the angular brush, I'm using the angular brush, taken out the green which is not very bright. Sap green. Use a sap green, not the Viridian. You can change a bit color. And just putting it like that. See, stroke, stroke, stroke. Just a stroke. I'll make the green then. And just the drops sprinkle. One side I showed you the angular brush ka strokes. One side I'm showing 2-3 styles in one. so that we can form a composition according to whatever we like and mix and match of the techniques which we have learned. कौन सी टेक्निक सबसे अच्छी लगी तान्या?
I like the spray wala, that watery effect na bilkul smooth sa aata hai. I like that very much.
The first one.
Hanji, hanji. And that plastic thing wala also gives a nice pet.
Yeah, I
wala
got it. I got it. See, both the effects given. Now, once it is done on that, just with the help of halka halka, very soft, watery. See, that's it.
What are you doing?
Just spreading the dots, the sprinkle, वो जो color sprinkle किया है, I'm just spreading that. और बहुत थोड़ा सा touch, soft, smooth touch. I hope आपने सब लोगों ने मेरा YouTube सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा. Subscribe and bell icon दबाओ. I don't know how to say that, but okay, because whenever I'll be doing something new, I'll put it. So new ideas will get. Okay, and उसके बाद with the knife, I'm just one minute. पापा ने नहीं बोला था. So I'm just scraping out. See the colors, उसी में से निकाल के branches बना रहे हो. I'm scraping, और ये जो brown color मोटा दिया हुआ था, उसी के branches automatically it's coming up. See, scraping, scratching है. So a jungle tree or these type of trees we can use in any of the composition. Plastic use, crumple plastic, knife, twigs. And then we can spray to give the softness even in this. So keep on practicing. कुछ आप लोग को नया आइडिया आया तो हमको भी बताना. I keep on practicing daily.
Putting water or blue?
Brush and water and color blue color. Now I'll spray. Spray effect तो अच्छा लगता है, soft आता है इसीलिए. I like to use spray. Water paint, water को काम करने दो, हम क्यों करेंगे?
So you've sprayed only at the bottom, right?
Right now, but I want to do it side there also. I want this effect down. I like it. Important thing हमको अच्छा लगना चाहिए. किसी को अच्छा लगे चाहे ना लगे. We self understand कि यहाँ पे मजा नहीं आया, यहाँ पे अच्छा आ गया, तो that's it. I'll do. लता ट्राई कर रहे हो?
Ma'am, it is a little bit fast for me. So I'll do it after the I'll do it in the recording. So just
हाँ,
simple
okay.
finish doing it and do the rest after this. It's going fast for me.
Can see the recording, and whenever you want, I'll send you all the link of my class.
Yes,
So
you sent the first class I didn't attend. I have done that painting, but I'll do it on a bigger sheet and let you know. And do it on
yeah,
the
and just
wall.
remind me, January I'll be having it in a way. Just remind me, those who are not able to join and can join even without the workshop also. Sometimes I have means in my class. So any
What I did.
question? Yeah, sure. Okay, 1 minute. Show Lata, show. Okay, yeah, I can see that. Not very clear. आपका जो picture है वो hazy आ रहा है, but I can see you clearly. You can send me the picture in the group, please.
But I'll do it on a bigger sheet because I did
Yes,
in a
yes.
small.
Why not? Bigger sheet में abstract style bigger sheet में और सुंदर आता है.
Yeah, that's all. So
Yeah,
I'll do all these paintings and you for reference.
correct.
For
All the
reference.
paintings सब A3 at least A3 हो, और अगर उससे भी बड़ा चाहिए तो half imperial हो सकता है.
अच्छा, तो एक दिन में ही करना है ना?
नहीं, आपकी मर्जी है, आप उससे बड़े में करो. What is your question, लता? थोड़ा बड़ा करना चाहते हो ना?
Can I show my?
Yeah, please. Yeah, you did it in vertical
I
because it
didn't
was a
see.
smaller.
I didn't see you
No
changing
problem.
it.
It's okay because that actually doesn't matter. Your choice, your style. Now what we can do is the first one which we did, पूरा light वाला जो wash किया पूरा, वो करने के बाद ये effect करें, वो भी बहुत सुंदर आएगा. And then again we spray it.
Oh.
I'm sending you the picture of this one which I have done. Light clear दिख जाएगा आपको. Just check. Anusha, show. And not able to see.
Ma'am, I'll show. I didn't have a spatula, so I used a spoon.
You did,
Mouth.
use the scale.
Spoon.
हाँ तो जो भी सामने रखा हो कुछ भी यूज कर लो.
Okay.
I'm sending this picture in the group.
January will be Saturday, Sunday or weekdays?
Sorry, come again.
January will be Saturday, Sunday or weekdays?
Very good question that we will be discussing again. I would prefer weekday this time. Let me see. Or Saturday, Sunday, 2 to 4, then I'll keep.
Okay.
Just check the picture which I have sent. So I just, acha effect, very nice. And the sheet is 440 Chitrapat.
Mine is more or less like that only. And just when it dries, I'll send it. I have recorded and saved almost all of them, so I'll just share it with you.
You can switch off the recording then in case.
Yeah. We just have 6 minutes left, ma'am.
Okay.